This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a rainbow maker. First, understand that these delightful devices harness sunlight to cast beautiful spectrums of color into your home. They typically use a small motor to rotate a crystal or prism, creating a dynamic display. You can easily purchase them online or at specialty gift shops. Look for models that suit your window size and light exposure for the best results. When choosing your rainbow maker, consider its power source and mounting options. Solar-powered versions are fantastic for south-facing windows, as they operate continuously with direct sunlight. Battery-operated models provide more versatility, allowing you to place them in various rooms or even on shelves. Many come with simple suction cups for quick installation, while others might require a small hook. Think about where you want the rainbows to appear most often. For the most dazzling rainbows, position your device where it receives ample direct sunlight, ideally a south-facing window. The angle of the sun throughout the day will influence the movement and intensity of the colors. To maintain its sparkle, gently wipe the crystal or prism with a soft, lint-free cloth every few weeks. Always ensure it is securely attached, especially if using suction cups, to prevent it from falling and potentially breaking. Beyond their beauty, rainbow makers offer a wonderful way to brighten your space and mood. The dancing colors can be incredibly soothing and add a playful touch to any room, from a child's bedroom to a home office. They transform ordinary sunlight into a magical experience, making your home feel more vibrant and alive. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to enhance your home and lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.